get a start. Under the National Drinking Water Mission, the Guinea worm problem, which is prevalent in only 6 states, will now be eliminated by the end of the current year. Similarly, the central government has taken several steps to remove the excess quantity of fluoride from drinking water. Alternative sources of clean drinking water and equipment to remove fluoride will be made available to the affected villages. For both the works, a special provision to provide funds to the states is being made. Public awakening campaign is being launched in this regard. The government have taken the decision to open laboratories at all the places for the qualitative testing of drinking water. The setting up of 110 such permanent and 26 mobile laboratories has already been accorded sanction. I would also like to point out that the constructed amenities provided for the disposal of dirt and dirty water are comparatively very inadequate. This issue will be taken up for discussion at an early date in the national seminar, and the policy will undergo change. I would like to mention that the World Bank, UNICEF, and many countries of the world are extending their assistance for the implementation of these two programs. The program started to make available drinking water in villages through Rajiv Gandhi National Drinking Water Mission is the biggest in the world and has become a model for other developing countries. In order to have systematic agricultural development and to maintain it, an effective system is essential for marketing of agricultural products so that the interests of producers and consumers may be safeguarded. A model act has been circulated to the states in order to make uniformity in the regulation and management of markets. Till now, out of 7,000 wholesale markets, 6,000 markets have been brought under this regulation. In order to provide basic infrastructure facilities for these markets under a centrally sponsored program, the committees of the trade centers are given an amount of rupees 4 lakhs to rupees 20 lakhs per market through the state government. Under this program, the total amount given to the state governments from the inception of this program till now is rupees 90 crores. Now both the programs for the development of makers, markets and construction of village godowns have been completely entrusted to the state governments. Classification and standardization of agriculture and related matters are very important. In order to ensure classification and gradation services, the Marketing and Inspection Directorate have set up a network of regional offices and sub offices in the country, and many AgMark laboratories have been set up in many of the states.